Let's talk about conditions. Okay, the second parameter for the flow add method is condition. And condition is again a funcbool, which means a method that returns true or false. And again, we are able to send a lambda to it. And this way we can determine the condition with which this show warning method would run. Let me show you how it's done. Let's say that I only want it to run if the orders.customer_ID contains or value contains A. Okay, and let's say customer ID has A in it. Let's see how that works out for us. Let's do it in 2 lines just so we can do the split screen and see how it operates. So if we're going to go to our screen and we're going to go down, no problem, because the condition is false. As soon as we reach something where the condition is true, we're going to get this message. Now, if you want to actually see how it calculates the condition, let's do this over here. Let's make this a multi-line lambda. And again, for more about lambda, watch the long lambda video. And I'll say here, using system diagnostics, and I'll say debug right line, checking the condition. Let's run this. And let's look at the Windows output. Let's keep it here. Where did it go? Output. Go to our screen. And as we go through our code, we can see that whenever we reach the current position, the correct position in the flow, that condition will get calculated. Okay? But only when it's true, we're going to get our message. Now, this can be used for validation. Okay? This together with the flow abort exception can be used for validations. But before we do that, let's just summarize, return this to be a normal single row, and see the changes that we needed to do. So to add a condition, okay, great. So to add a condition, all we needed to do is to add this part of the code, and only when this is set to true, the code that we wanted to execute will execute.